What we have here is an experiment in the question why. It is a 2018 regular cab short box F150 5-liter V8 with a Whipple supercharger on it, which produces 766 horsepower. Just listen to this thing. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my god, this thing is so ridiculous.
This F-150 is a collaboration between Cam Clark Ford and Dale Adams, the Madhouse tuning shop in Calgary. They'll take pretty much anything you give them and make it faster, louder, and better looking. In addition to the supercharger, Dale Adams has also fitted an MBRP side pipe, which makes this thing extremely loud.
Another feature of the 2018 F-150 is the auto start stop, so you can be quiet at a light like this and take your foot off the brake and then take off, and it sounds like the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse. I once said that people who don't need pickup trucks buy pickup trucks. They go down to their 9-to-5 jobs downtown with an F-150 or a 1500 Ram or a Silverado, and I personally don't believe in that culture. However, this I can get behind. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is fantastic. It's fast, it's fun, it's lowered down. It feels like you're driving a race car, but you can still put your buddies moving stuff in the back. I love it. I love it.
This truck has more horsepower than 90% of the supercars on the road today. So if you're interested, Cam Clark Ford is your place.